Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is September the 16th. We are out here in the Sugar Hill, Beaufort area. This is a new client, Mr. Terry. Mr. Terry actually filled out the form on my website to pay for his in-home consultation, which does come off the back end when you book with me. Most of my clients that use me, they understand that. So with that being said, guys, we are doing a screen and recoat today with UV Cure, going with satin finish. This is about 636 square feet, not a big job at all. And just one of those clients want to keep the floors maintained, keep the house looking good. So let me show you what we got going today. So again, today is September 16th, out here in this beautiful neighborhood, Sugar Hill area. Tomorrow we're going to be close to Athens, so a few days we don't have to go into the city. Right now, really nothing for Thursday so far, but we do have a huge project Friday in Ackworth and a nice one in Douglasville on Saturday. And I also booked one this morning. I had an in-home consultation come through that I did Saturday. I did one Saturday, and they accepted their quote this morning for not next Monday, but the following Monday. Screen and recoat with UV Cure. So guys, if you see, these floors are really in good condition. Tavares is taping off the carpet. I'm just gonna pour this, and it just got some wear, especially up in the high traffic area. So we just want to lightly abrade it down. This floor is stained. Want to do the bathroom. So you got like a little spot right there. It's kind of worn. So really just a high traffic area. So we're going to do all of this. And then we're going to come into the kitchen. And then we're going to do the kitchen around this beautiful island with these nice quartz countertops. Then all of this again. Got some wear right there. You can see the polyurethane taking the wear. And this is the perfect time, guys, to do a screen or recoat when you notice the wear, so it doesn't start tapping into the stain. And then next thing you know, the stain starts to wear. And then all through here, and then just this area right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. There you go. Thank you. Looks good. All right, guys, we are done. My clients are very, very happy with the services. So this is the screen recoat with the rag coat UV cure.
I don't want to have my bare dirty feet on it.
Oh no, you're fine.
Oh, it does.
You feel the difference there? See that? Yes,
I
ma'am.
like it.
Yes,
Well, have a
ma'am.
good evening. Thank you.
And also too, I'm gonna text Terry what to use to keep it clean.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
OCD.
Okay. See, I'm the opposite. My wife is OCD. Me,
I have my OCD moments, but floors are his baby.
the fish baby. Yeah.
I can tell you one thing that I think messed these up originally.
What was that?
I was using those wet Swifters.
Uh-huh.
Are they good or bad?
They're not. I don't
They're
think
not
Swift
too
is
bad?
hurt.
Okay.
No, because when did you say the floor is finished?
6 years,
It's,
7 years
it's
ago.
probably time for it. That's all.
Yeah.
Especially in the high traffic areas.
Okay.
Yep. Looks great. All right, Terry. Well, brother,
man.
thank you so much, man. I greatly appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
All
Thank you so
right.
much. Good luck to y'all.
All right, man.
Take it easy, man. Thanks for your hard work.